Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, please give me from which city of Uzbekistan are you in? Are you from Tashkent? Or I remembered about the air quality. You told me you're from different cities. Yeah, please tell me again.
I'm from Tashkent region, but it is suburb and it is near to the Tashkent city. And
Okay,
right
good,
now
good.
it's raining.
Nice. Very good. Yeah, you're inviting winter. Okay, good. Okay, another of you, please. Tahir Jan, yeah? Yeah, please let me know. Please. Okay.
Professor,
Yeah, hello, Abdul Qadir. Yeah, Abdul Qahar,
uh,
sorry. Yeah.
I'm
From
a,
which city of Uzbekistan?
I'm from Namangan. Uh,
Oh,
the air quality is quite good here. It's 63.
yeah. Very good. Very nice. Okay, Nani,
Good evening, Professor. I'm from
good
also
evening.
Tashkent region. It's called Chirchik. My city is called Chirchik, and it's also it was also a rainy day today.
Okay, very good. How about the boy, Tahir Jun? I think, yeah, I think I'm mute for him. Okay, nice, very good. Thank you very much for everyone to give me some qualitative and quantitative data. Thank you very much. Yeah, you participated into the data collection. Okay, now we are going for today. Wow, what we are going to do. Before I listen to your beautiful presentation, and it was not really huge, just speaking only. Here I gather some information. I think it is 60% of work of today was a review of last session. It means not we don't have anything such new. Going to review it. We're going to make it functional. Then also might be some new items we are going to review together. Might be, or perhaps we will see a lot of. Okay, let's go through them. Then this is screen sharing, and now I'm going to the window. Then this is mine. Please, okay, share to everyone. Okay. Let me. So, uh, can you see it?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
I can.
very good. Now you can see it. Then the next page, you will tell the teacher it's not moving. Okay, let's see. Let's try it. Okay, fingers crossed. Might be today moving. Yeah, you will see. I told you, yeah, might be it's moving. It means still I'm detecting and try to detect some data from you because all of you also are engineer. Yeah, I'm going to detect some information, detect some, also receive some feedback from you about the moving my picture or no, about the screen can share it to you well, probably, or no. Yeah, we are going to speak about something, not probably. We are not talking about something like this. We are talking about the facts. When we are going to collect data, we are going to speak about some facts. Yeah, in your mind, you have something called it thesis. Then, this probably, I'm not sure, might be. Let's see. You see, there are the something, a lot of question marks. Then ask the people the question of you solved. Then you are going to analyze the data. Is that true? Is that boy telling all the stories true to me? Yeah, you see, they are the something we have. First, you have some question mark. then collect the data, then analyze the data. Okay, once you are going to analyze the data, you have another procedure too. Look at the mind of people. Look at what happened inside us. We have another really some really filter. This filter is okay, verification. Verify the answer of people. Is that right? Did she hear well? Might be because of nose of the street. That boy or girl couldn't hear my words well. Oh yeah, might be. Or I think it's a white line. Don't worry, that's okay. You see a lot of things we have. Okay, you will see for today we are going to about the making sense of information can be the second part of it. It means your guide to do some technical thinking. Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes, we can.
Oh, very good. That's a miracle. That's a miracle today. Today is miracle. Gabriel, thank you very much for really inviting me. Yeah, really. Yeah, because Abu Bakr, I don't know what did he do. Once he invited me, that page not moving. Poor Abu Bakr. Yeah, he will kill us. Okay, good. Now about the workshop goals today, what we are going to study of today. Understand the qualitative versus the quantitative data. Build clear tables or graphs, extract useful insights of engineering decisions. Yeah, but it is something we have about the tables today. Today we are going to study about the tables. The tables and graphs. They are really crucial and very important and really vital to the paper writing and also to the we are going to reflect our work to the others. It means might be 1 year, 2 years you study about the item. Just in one graph, two graphs, you are going to elaborate it to the others. Yeah, very funny and really, I don't know, funny, no, nasty. I don't know, yep. Can be really just by some numbers, by some graph. Yeah, you're gonna show it to everyone. Now going to next page. Can you see the next page? Yeah, excuse me. We see we need your feedback. Once we tell you for that one, you want to make sure because I don't like in the middle of speaking, then you tell me, oh no, okay, because I have to know. You see, the feedback is very important to work of us. Why this matter in engineering? The real reason of engineering needs some data. You see, the data as a feedback you gave me is very important because solve the real problems with evidence. If the feedback of you give me, okay, no, it's not moving, then we should go for plan B, plan C, plan D. So you see, the feedback of you really crucial, really important, really vital to know your feedback. Okay, make safer through smart designer. You see, it is very important to make it some safe, the safe zone. Once you tell me, oh, it's not moving, it's not really that is steady, the picture is frozen, something like that, then we can have the design the something smarter. You see, that is very important to communicate the result clearly to the others. You see, they are just you see all the examples from beginning, from initial point till now, only and only from the presentation, just from our talking and from your feedback based on this only. Another item, you will see the type of data I told you. It could be the quantitative and it could be the qualitative. Quantity speak about the numbers, measures, and units, something like that. The qualitative, it's describe about some really the opinion of the people, mood of people. We are using some adjectives, positive or negative, to describe something. So definitely, if we say that, oh, it is raining, I hate raining, then another person, as a farmer, they said that, no, I love raining. Another person, it might be a grandmother, hate raining. Why? Because the grandmother tried to really wash all the shirts and all the garments of people and try to make it dry inside the yard. And maybe the neighbor of her, the farmer, really need rain for the really produce. So they are something different. You will see that bad and good. You will see we don't know what is good, what is bad. Yeah, that is very important to say that. Okay, about the spotting type of it, for example, if we mention that the battery life 6 hours is totally different, it is really quantitative, and we can explain it. 6 hours non-stop gaming online. You will see, wow. 6 hours watching offline videos. You see, there are something different. Going to tell you some about the some quantitative and also qualitative. Mix them together. You see, mix them together. Really, 6 hours by watching TV. Watching TV can be about the something, give you the some quality. Okay, this is something we have it. This phone feels premium. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now you see this is the activity here you have, and it is keep it for your next class. Going to discuss about it. Yeah, you see, ask about the room, two examples of each. For example, try to compare 2 or 3 electronic devices together. Yeah, it can be nice, as I did it last session. Okay, why organization helps? Yeah, here it's not the organization. You're talking about the organization of school or organization of university. It means got a chart or you got a principal, got teachers, got the person really working as really as a something like the cleaner, something like this. No, 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 no. Here it means this is a field of study of you. Here it means the area of you. Here it means the paper you are going to write as a report. Here it means the paper as an article, as an academic article. Yeah, you see, it is very, very important for you how to organize it well. You know, when we organize something well, then if it has some error, we can receive the good feedback. If it is well organized, we are doing. If we're doing messy job, and then okay, it is difficult to receive the proper feedback, and also very tough to manage it. We need nice organizations. Tables and graphs reveal the patterns fast. Yeah, if you remember, I told you if you want to understand better the papers, it is my personal suggestion to all you. First of all, go read the graphs and tables, then go for another items. But yeah, I told you the first filter, the initial filter of you, it is really vital to read the topic, keywords, something like that, then understand it. This paper is relevant to your work or irrelevant. Once it is relevant, we can understand it better by studying the graphs and tables. Yeah, once we understand the graphs and tables, we can have a good image of whole the paper. Good organization really prevent the mistakes. Yep, about the table basis, yeah, basics, we are going to speak about it. Yeah, we need, I told you, table. For the table, we need a good title, labeled column, and also consistent units. I told you the clear rows. It means that you need some, really, the title should be relevant, the labeled, really labeled column. For example, it is for the distance, it is for the something like the speed, something like this. We are going to use force, and also the consistent units. What does it mean, consistent units? Earlier I told you, if it is millimeter, for all should be millimeter. If yard, all should be yard. And clear rows. It means not really messing up and mix everything together. We don't like it. I told you, organization. Choosing columns and rows, really, how to decide. The column attribute the compare, for example, the price of battery or the type of battery, something like that. Row is, for example, the item of test cases, something like that, the brand A, brand B, brand C, something like that. You see, you have another thing to compare together. I told you to compare, find something. I told you the previous session. You find two mobile phones, eight mobile phones. No, 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 eight, maximum three. Then try to compare them and try to show us the something really maybe something hidden, and others don't pay attention to that one, not really main. Okay, always check units really for the boys and your for father. That's very important. We are always checking this unit. You know what unit we are always checking? And another one, always the fathers check the items in the shop.
The price.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, the tag, the price. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know. Really, for us, once we are going to buy anything, first we see the tag. If the price is okay, then we touch the material, something, the rest. Yeah, excuse me. We are like this. The father is like this. They always we are thinking of the end of the month. How to manage end of the month. Oh, very, very for us, always like this. Always like this. If you see that sometimes really your father trying to do that, it is because of that one. It is because of your future. It is because of if collect some money to really send you some travel, something like this, because of our pocket money when I was, for example, younger than you. Okay, good. Now we are going to next one. This one, yep, it's about the converting, and really it's very important. If you see this is a, for example, if it is gram, please convert all them to gram. If it was the millimeter, convert all them to millimeter. See the system, see the what we are going to speak, what speed or something like that. This is very crucial, very important. We do have the good really units to elaborate our work. Yep, about the visual that help, about the graphs to choose. Let me tell you, here you see the most conventional items. Here you see this, for example, they call it the bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. And yeah, they're okay, they are perfect. But nowadays we have something more, and we are going to have a look at them. Might be, or we get something more, and we are going to be some modernized. Yeah, you see that it's very important, really nice. You see, for example, for each one we are using for the aim, and we are using for our target. Yeah, bar chart mostly if we want to compare the items. Line chart for the trend over time mostly we use. Pie chart for the segments and for the proportion we are using about the which portion is higher than another portion. Yeah, we are using that one. Yeah, spotting pattern and trends. Okay, about the patterns and trends. Yeah, you see this about this one. It's very easy for you, really increasing or decreasing. About the clusters and gaps, about the repeating cycles. You see, by this that one we can get. Oh, sorry, I need your help. From which graph we can see this? Line graph, bar chart. I don't know which one. Yeah, 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 yeah. From which graph we can see line chart? A line. No, no, that's okay. Line chart, line graph, all them same. Yeah, this is English. I don't know. Very funny. Yeah, chart and graph same. Sorry, funny. Okay, I think agree with you. Agree with you. Yeah, 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 yeah. So we should see that ready for spotting. Spotting, yeah, we use Excel. And what type of software do you use for the spotting the graphs? Do you use Excel or you are using another software? Mm, Excel. Yep. I think another software can help us, but I don't know. I think, but I'm not sure. You see, I think, okay, it means that's a question mark, that's a thesis. Then said, oh, no. You say that's a result. Yeah, very funny. Here, you will see the mind of people making question mark, then find the answer. This is very important. Your curiosity. Find another way. Missing data matters really. What's not here? Yeah. What column or empty cells change the conclusions? Sometimes we see there's some graphs. Sometimes we see the some charts or the tables. They get some empty, get messy about the misconclusion, some errors even, about some numbers different. We have them, and please try to really make sure about the really validity and about the well organization of your table. Yeah, don't ignore the words. Yep, users comments, photo, observation, explain the numbers. Really, once you are going to describe the your really figure as a figure or as a table, really use a comments or something like that. Please really try to explain it well. Same the tag, excuse me, the task one, task one of IELTS, like interpretation. I told you. Yeah, common pitfall. Yeah, here we see that really what we're looking for is comparing the. Oh, what's that? Comparing apples to oranges. What does it mean?
It means comparing two similar things, right?
Hmm. Similar apples and oranges. Okay, another one, please help me. Apples and apples and
Maybe
I'm not
I
sure.
guess it means like comparing the data which is not related to the same family.
Yeah, yeah. It means you are trying to comparing two items together, really, but totally far from each other. For example, you're comparing lion here with the motorcycle. Okay, then you hear that that's fine. Then what do you mean about speed of it or about the weight? What item you are going to compare? You see, yeah, you see, we are thinking about that. Why the author of this paper or why the researcher tried to really compare two irrelevant items together. You see, this is very important to see this really avoiding to do that about missing units, unclear measure. Yeah, please do not leave each item really alone and without any really unit. Please do not leave the units alone without any numbers. Yeah, you write the kilometer, then the kilometer, and there is no something like the numbers with it. So it is really unclear. It doesn't meaning at all. And another item here we see the small sample sizes that really mislead. You see, the person told me really I did some Five, teacher, I did five test experiences. Just five? Five is not valid. Why? At least for the test experience, for that one, you have to do, for example, 25. Then you are doing 25, then we are going to compare something. Might be some of them are irrelevant to each other. And the test validity, it's not working well. Now going for next. Yep. Here we have some interactive tests. It's for you. Hopefully you will do it. About the wireless AirPods. Yeah, I don't know really. Try to compare them together. It could be nice, but I don't use wireless AirPod. You will see this, but I want to collect some information from your side. Okay. Oh, here. You will see. You will see the graph here. We have it really about trying to compare something together about the sound quality. You will see the brand X, brand Y, and brand Z. Try to compare them together. Here we can see them. Something like this we need. Or another. Oh, what's that? It is a pie chart. Yeah. Here we will see we use the pie chart, for example, about the score proportions in the market, something like that. For the brand X, we will see they use it more. No, brand Z. Yeah. You see, we need something like them. For example, we are going to compare them together. Call it stacked bar chart. Stacked bar chart. I told you here. I'm going to show you the some different bar charts, different graphs to see this. Yeah, about the combining the score, something like this. Here we will see. This is very important. If you want to improve yourself in this case, I suggest you try to find something like the statistical, how to analyze the statistical data for that part, can improve your ability to do that. I think it can be very good, very nice. A lot of videos on YouTube available for the mathematics, and also really very good and really helpful for all of us. Yeah, here you can see. Ah, that's a new one. That's a new one here. You will see that about the radar chart. Radar chart here, you see this. That's a radar chart. And yeah, you will see the right top. That's an indicator really to show us, for example, the red color. What does it mean? Sorry, it's not red. Orange color. And this is the blue color. And it is the, what was that? The green color. Yeah, identified them. Could be very nice. And yeah, it is, we know it about the line chart. It is a single line chart. Yeah, it's a single line chart. Here it showed you. We will see the x-axis and we will see the y-axis and how to indicate them. Y-axis indicate the battery life in unit of hour, and x-axis indicate the brands. Then whole together really show the graph show for the battery life trend across brands. Yeah. Another item here we will see about the comparing them together really by the bar chart here. You see this. Try to compare them together. You see for the in terms of price, in terms of you see the boys and men always have a price. Yeah, price. You're looking for it. Yeah, then looking for the sound quality, the battery life, comfort score, about the weight or something like this. For the weight, we will see all them equal. Then we will see that for the battery life, oh, this is really poor. It is mine. Yeah, you see, this is out. Yeah, and about the sound quality, okay, but the battery is the battery life of the AirPod is shut, so remove it. Don't look for it. It is for me. I don't know about you. Also, the price is high. No, I don't like it. Yep, sound quality, A, blue, and also the red are equal, so definitely it is for me. I don't know about you. I go for the blue color. First, the financial. Yeah, here we see the pie chart, radar chart, and also the stack bar chart. Yeah, here I gave you some definition. What are them when we are using them? Yeah, for the engineering detective work, really for example, for civil engineering, for mechanical engineering, we use the materials. Software engineers about the application or app speed. Biomedical engineer about the patient safety. Environmental engineer, yeah, the polluted level, you know it. You mentioned that point about your city, about the air quality index you mentioned, and I'm very good. Good to hear that raining. Love rain. Okay, so the data detective checklist. You should have this checklist in your hand, and really, you have one really board and always check it. Check the units. Look for patterns, spot missing info, and also the question outliners. Also consider the context. They are very important, really crucial for all of us. Yeah, really, I told you, really, for that one. Avoid comparing some items together, such as apples and orange. Really about the missing unit, small sample size, ignoring qualitative data. Really, sometimes we give something like this, we give the mark to them. No, 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 do not do that, please, please. Quality is quality. If you want to compare it to quantity, you need some tables to do that. Recognize data types. Yeah, your toolkit. They really build tables, organize information, extract insights, ask critical questions. Really, from the last one, that's very important. Ask critical questions. Very important, really crucial. Yeah, I think, yep, I think that's repeated. Yeah, I think, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no, 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 not. Yeah, you need the unit matter, the pattern reveal the insights. Aha. Yeah, the previous one was about your checklist, and this one is about the pro tips for data detective. Units matter, I told you. When you have the numbers, please pay attention to that point. Each number needs unit. It is 25. What does it mean by 25? 25 kilogram, 25 gram, 25 hours. Okay, what does it mean? The patterns revealed insights, really about the repetition and something that's very important. Missing info is key. Sometimes we need some information is missed. Then we should looking for it. Okay, why? Why this interruption happened? The key it's not the really missing information. The key is the why. We should looking for why. Yeah, about the outliers need questioning. Yeah, I told you all the time questioning, please. Context change meaning. Yeah, sometimes really the context we are going to discuss about that changed. Why? Because of the conditions. And what conditions are? Speak about that, discuss about them. Yep, about the common data pitfalls, about the comparing two irrelevant items together, about the missing units, small samples, ignoring the qualitative data. For today, I try to really, as a start, try to really start something about the workshop goals. I try to speak with you. Then about the core concept of the data, really speak about them versus the qualitative to quantitative. some slides about the quantitative and qualitative. Then about the some speak about the some visual toolkits. We should care about them. Really, we saw there's some graphs. You will see this. Then as well here we will see about some activities as well. You have it, and hopefully you will do that. Then now about mine finished, and now your turn. Let me.
Opening, the photo was not opening, so I just handled it and I will now present it.
Uh, yeah, that's okay. I think you can go just only to share the screen and go through if it's my opinion, and just share the photo with us. That's it. Nothing more.
Okay. Well, I here chose a bar chart and analyzed it. Well,
I can say it.
well,
Aha.
bar chart is showing. Well, I wrote as you mentioned, I wrote IELTS task 1 into that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. Very good practice. Really nice practice. Very good.
So I
Really
will
good.
now
Really good.
present it. Well, the bar chart provided juxtaposes the share of each company divided by 5, A, B, C, D, and E over a 3-year period of time, starting from 2006. Well, okay. Next one. Bar chart shows that 3 companies, A, C, and E, pictured a raise in outcome, while in income it should have been, while other 2 remaining
Mhm.
showed a drop off coming to 2008. Below, we will discuss it, emphasizing on dramatic changes. Initially, Company A's and Company B's profit increased gradually, reaching its peak on the last year, while Company E raised its income up to $4.5 million, peaking out just in 1 year. Contradictingly, in the next year, gain of the company fell down slightly to $3.1 million. Apart from that, the amount of wage of Company B decreased moderately, when the index of the profit of Company D raised a little, coming to 2007. In the final year, Company B's share of wage stayed unchanged, while wage of Company D showed a gradual rise by $2 million. That's all that I wrote.
That's it. That's it. Nothing else more. That's it. Nothing else more I'm looking for. Okay. Now it's very amazing and very good. I really love it, Nani, that you did it perfectly.
Thank you so much.
And it is very good template. It's very good example and sample and template and some prefabricated sentences for your future. Then you compare 2 or 3 real items together, but no need to do it. You can find in the papers of people, they did it, but then you try to modify it. You try to rewrite it into your own, or you see that the writing of them is are okay. It's really good quality. It's better not change anything. You repeat it. That's okay. If you repeat it, you will learn something more. If you change it, you improve your level of really creativity. How we can improve the level of our creativity? It's not just repeating something. No, by reading the words and the words of people. Okay, to me it was excellent, really good. Thank you, and I need some more from the other people. Thank you very much, Nani. Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, what more? Okay, if you don't have any more, so I shared with you some activity for our next class. Then you have some time to go through the papers of the others, go through the other websites, for example, about mobile phone, about the AirPod, something like this, and try to use the Excel. I told you, just I know the Excel. If you know another software to draw something, I showed you some graphs. Also, I will share the presentation of the section today. I will share you. Then you can do that. Then for next class, that's the time of you to compare your finding about everything that you like it. So I'm here. If you have any question, you can ask me. If your internet speed it's not in good quality and not the coverage well, or might be you are in a place you can't talk, no problem. You can type, and I try to answer you. If the people really listen to the recorded video, really like the TV programs, really, if you watch the recorded video of this really class, feel free to really to leave your comments here below. Yep. Okay, something like this. So if you have any question, feel free, please ask me. The microphone open to all you. Yeah, please ask me. If not really in the chat box here, I don't know the name of it, the chat box. Let me check it. What do you call it? It is a in call message. You can really like type it here in an in call message. Then definitely I will reply you. I'm waiting for you. If you don't have any question, please let me know. Then, yep. Thank you very much for the class of today. Do you have any question?
I couldn't do my homework, but I found two things, table and graph, and I was
Mm.
sharing with group.
Oh, let
Uh,
me.
may I try? Am I have to compare them?
Why not? Why not? Let me go to the group. Then find it, find it. Wow, very good, very good. Can you share it to the? I don't know. It's very good. Oh, very good. Oh, you want to buy me two phones? Very good. Thank you. Yeah, please go ahead. Thank you very much for your gift.
Is it visible my
Yeah,
screen or not?
yeah. To me, yeah. To me, yeah.
To you, yes. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I choose two phone, one phone, iPhone version, but it's different type, 16 and 17.
Mm,
Um, and let's and their RAM memory is similar
yeah,
and have Apple Intelligence, both of them.
yeah,
Um, iPhone 17, iPhone 17 have 50 volt. It is volt. I don't know, max safe charging than 16.
let me see
And
which
iPhone 17 is expensive. Expensive. No, oh my gosh, more expensive than
excuse
16.
me,
Yeah.
excuse me, interrupt you because of the science. Yeah, 50 watt, 50 watt for the charging.
Uh,
Excuse me,
it,
interrupt you.
50 volt is, I don't know, it's
What? What?
MagSafe charging. Uh,
It is iPhone standard, and I'm not familiar. The iPhone users can explain you.
I'm also not. I use Samsung,
Yeah, me too. Very smart.
and I have another picture. It is graph, and we have
Hmm.
for country, and given information about, I think, population, gross population. Um, there are Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Uh,
Hmm.
and we can see Malaysia and Indonesia's population grows in many years like similar,
Hmm.
and also too like that Philippines and Thailand is similar. Uh, and uh, Malaysia's and Indonesia's population are grows more than two.
Yeah,
Okay. And
it's very.
in 2010, sorry, wait,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Continue, continue. 2010
2010, Philippines and Indonesia's population is similar.
was similar. Yeah,
Yeah, it was similar. That is, I think.
yeah. It's very good, really good. Also, you see for the graph you shared with us, it's about that one. Also, you got a prediction. You got a prediction as well, and this prediction really we will see this really for the population of Philippines. You will see in 1917, 1970, and 1980, it was lower than or might be equal to Malaysia, and we expected to see the population of Philippines with more than Malaysia and the other countries. You will see.
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow! Very good, very good. Thank you, thank you. It was very good, really good. Thank you very much. Really amazing, Rabia. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, Rabia is our host today. Is our host today. Really, we should ask really to say her really thank you very much for your hospitality. Great. I think really once after 8:30 you close the group and you don't really allow anyone knock at the door really like the teachers really leave them out. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Really nice. Really nice. Thank you. You are a good host of today. Nice host. Thank you. Okay, thank you. And any other or any others?
Yeah, I have
Oh, very
something to
good. A
share as
boy,
well.
a boy, a boy. Very good, good.
Um, right. Uh, it's actually related to AI and not
Oh,
really deep, but I try to make that interesting. So, right. Just a minute.
no problem at all. I know that the computer getting crazy. Once we are going to share the screen, share the something with it. Really, for scientific work, the computer not working well. But I don't know, the Instagram working well, but when we are going to do some real things, they're not working. Yeah, that's a problem. They hate science. I don't know why. Really,
I guess
they
it's visible, right?
Oh my
yeah.
god.
Not yet, not yet, not yet, but it's going. I can see some signals. Okay, no, wow. I need some
You see the graph?
translation. No, no, no. Again. Oh, again. No.
All right. So start.
It is visible for me.
Really, you are lucky.
Tasvir ustida tasvir
Uh, uh,
ochiq degan narsa turibdi Abduqahhor.
oh,
Sorry.
I need some subtitle to understand. Yeah.
That's the
I think today just it was good friend with me. Working smoothly with me. Very nice. What happened?
I guess it's
Oh
not.
yes.
All right.
Let me.
So the first one
Thank
is
you,
about
Microsoft.
uh, it's about global AI market size projection, and there is also some prediction and some historic data.
Mm.
So okay. So the global artificial intelligence market is experiencing explosive growth, as we know. Everyone is crazy about AI right now. So, driven by generative AI, machine learning, and automation, the market is projected to more than triple in value between 2025 and 2030 in 5 years. To make the AI, I guess the government spending a lot according to that data.
Oh,
You can see in 2025 the amount is approximately
25.
$250 billion, and it's predicted to be more than $820 billion in 2030, according to Grand View Research. So the next is about companies which are adopting the AI. So that I titled that Global Enterprise AI Adaptation Rate. So AI is no longer experimental, it's a mainstream. After hovering around 50% for several years, adaptation spiked significantly in 2024. By 2025, it's estimated that nearly 78 of companies globally will be using AI in some form. So here is the graph. And uh, we can see that in 2017, only 20% of the companies used AI, but it grew significantly in 2019, and after some fluctuations, we got the peak level of using AI in companies among companies, and by now it's nearly 80%. So the next one is about um, kind of, how can I say, the regions, the parts of right. So like adaptation of AI in different uh, parts of the world, like North America, Asia, Europe, and the rest of the world. So like by region, as it mentioned in the title, North America currently leads the global AI market. I guess it's obvious because they make a lot AIs. and holding approximately one third of the total share. And however, Asia Pacific region is the fastest growing sector, driven by massive investments in China and India. So we can see uh, the part. Um, okay, so for me, that's it.
Sorry, doctor, your microphone is off.
Yeah, I wanted to not interrupt your beautiful presentation. Thank you very much for your notification. Thank you. You're a moderator, really host, and everything of the day. Okay, Abdullah, it was really amazing. I have a question. How about using AI in Central of Asia? Do you have any data?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yeah, of course, really. In Central of Asia, do you have any data for using AI or not?
Uh, I don't really know how much the Central Asia actually used AI in comparison to the world, but I guess uh, in particular in Uzbekistan, there are a lot of the folks to increase the impact of AI,
Yeah,
especially in this year.
it's very good. It's very good. And for example, a country like Russia. How about Russia? Do you have any data about using data? Sorry, the Russia they have their own AI or they are using or they really global AI. I don't know because of Russia, some really stories behind it. Do you have any information?
Well, I think
Um,
Russia has many.
I guess
Sorry, Abdullah, I forgot it.
uh,
Yeah,
okay, you can speak.
It was you that you. It was you to speak,
Ah,
and I
okay.
forgot. Sorry.
Mm, all right. Uh, I'm not really aware about whether Russia is making the AI or kind of creating one of them. Because of other lot of kind of important things happening, like the war between Ukraine. So
Oh, oh yeah. You're right.
that's kind of
Good
rare to
point.
hear
Good point.
news about something related to
Mm,
science or yeah, technology.
okay, very good, very good. Okay, then, but the girl, please speak.
Well, I think
Nani.
I know many bots, Telegram bots in Telegram. They are specified to serve as a language LLM, language learning machine. Like
Machine learning,
they
yeah.
are created by many Russian people, because the interface, everything is in Russian language. For example, if you write down the chat GPT on the how can I say, well, on the search part in Telegram, there are so many Telegram bots that are integrated into Telegram. You can use them without uploading any apps, applications of AI. So I think Russia is really strong in IT, and also uh,
Yeah,
they
yeah, yeah.
uh, many of them, many of Russian people, not that much, but many of Russian IT programmers um, earn money via integrating AI into Telegram.
Yeah, thank you. Nani, I have a request, not only Nani, all of you. If you know this sort of bots, and if Abu Bakr allowed you, and if it's not virus or I don't know, worm or what do you call it? Any type of another name also it has. Really, share it to the group, then we can use it if they are really useful, if they are some spy or something like that. I'm not familiar with this. For example, if you send some spy on my phone, what they are going to find? My shopping list. What shall I do? Something like this. For example, how many kilometers I walked today? Something like this for me. But about the others, I don't know. Really, maybe about your bank account or something like this. Maybe getting in danger. I don't know for that part. If you think that that's safe, you can share some Telegram bot to the Telegram group for all of us. I think you can
Oh,
do.
yeah, okay, sure. I can easily do it, but I need to make it well. Should it be AI or any bot that is useful?
Uh, any useful bots, but
Okay.
safe, please, please be
Yeah, yeah.
safe. Really, I
Many of
don't
them
like
are safe.
any, any wrong things happen to your bank account or something like this.
Okay.
Okay, good. Any more? Any more?
Yeah, Professor, I guess I forgot one really big thing. You asked about AI thing related to Russia. I guess the Alisa is the biggest AI that made them, and they're integrating to the even the product, even what's music players.
Oh,
And recently, the version in Uzbek actually is released, and I guess they will be in stores,
very
and they're
funny.
also integrating the AI into their app
Let me. I have.
called
I have one. I have
Yandex.
one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's the name of it? I have one. I have
Alisa.
one. I have one application called Sano.
Mm,
Suno. It is by AI. For example, you're gonna tell them, okay, for example, I need the lyrics. The lyrics was about, for example, apple and orange. And also I need the musical instrument, the drum or bass guitar or something like that. Then the AI produce you a, for example, 2 minute, 3 minute song. The name
that's
of this,
cool.
yeah, the name of this application is uh, Sano, Suno. Yeah, I will share the what you call the Google Play link to the group. It means it's safe. If you like, you can really make some dangerous things for yourself. Really, rock music, something like that, if you like. Yeah, I have this. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, good. Any others?
Teacher, I was also going to ask question from homework. The homework was
Yeah, yeah.
finding two examples of types of data, qualitative and quantitative, right?
Yeah, exactly. It is one of them. And you should study a paper. You should find a paper, the paper close to something you love it, maybe related to some your assignment at university, at school. Yeah, something like that. Then you try to find the information about it in the paper. Yeah.
Ah,
My target is you really got to aim to study in the better way, to study targetful, to find something great. Also be helpful for your study. Yeah, to answer the questions of your professor at your university, at your school, really comprehensively as well. It is my opinion.
so we
Yeah.
should study and analyze the paper and also find information.
And yeah, yeah, yeah. Analyze a paper in your field,
Okay.
just in your field, really.
Just
Previous,
yeah, you can talk. Sorry.
yeah, yeah, no problem. Also, I will share the my slides of today to the group. Then here you have some activities as well. If you like, you can do the activities also. But now I think that's the exam time of you at university, at school. So really, please pay attention more to your final exam.
So it's just analyzing, right? We can analyze it from
Uh,
through.
uh, and really, we need somehow you draw a table and how you draw the graphs. You know, the graph designing, the table designing, something is my target. Yeah, really, Nani, it is.
Okay, thanks so much, Professor.
No worries. You know, the organizing table, organizing the graphs, it's very important. Yeah, how we organize it in the proper way. Okay, good. And any others? If you don't have any question, I suggest you go out and at least enjoy the rain. Okay, thank you so much, Tashkent. Thank you very much to all of you. Okay, Rabia, thank you very
Thank you so
much.
much for
Thank
your
you.
effort and for your time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for your hospitality. You're a good host too. Okay, thank you. Abu Bakr, really very nice host today you had. Okay, thank you very much. See you on Sunday. Thank you. You are very kind.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.